welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be creating the first of many videos for the upcoming holiday, Valentine's Day. But before I get into the technique I attempted in this video, I just want to say, y'all, we literally hit 200 subscribers. Like, what? Like, y'all are really showing out goodness, and I appreciate each and every view, each and every subscriber, each and every like, comment, especially the comments. When it's a failed soap, y'all come to the comments and give me tips and advice on what may have occurred with the soap. Like, I love it here. You know, they say it takes a village, and it really does, and I love it here. But on to the video. In this video, I attempted the Luna Swirl, and I think I did pretty good. There are some things that I learned that I will implement the next time I make this soap. So for now, go ahead and enjoy the video, and I will come back to provide my commentary. So something that I could have done better, or not even could have done better, but something that I should have stuck to is the stick blending. So I told myself that I would stick blend just before emulsion and then hand mix it so that I can get to emulsion and then light trace. But I did not do that. What I did instead was stick blend into about a light trace. So because this is the Luna Swirl technique, you are constantly hand mixing your batter every time that you tint it. And because I over mixed in the beginning, I ended up with a pretty thick batter halfway through the process. So if I could change anything, that would be one of the things. Few clips, I poured soap into the tin cups so that I could use that for decoration later on. Now when it comes to the pouring portion of the video, I didn't really have a technique other than pour the batter. For this specific part, I just poured red, pink, gold, and then I started with the gradient. There are portions that I sped up and there are parts that I cut out. Because if I didn't, y'all, this would have been like a 35-minute video, that's a little too much. But you get the gist of it. You pour the batter, you tint it, mix. And this is what I'm saying with the mixing. You're mixing maybe 7 to 10 times. And I had a thick batter. But we still prevailed. Again, it still turned out very beautiful. So this is a part of the video where I bow out for some time. Y'all enjoy the video and I will come back. important to note that I ran out of the white soap batter, so I had to use the titanium dioxide by itself, which is why you see that this color is far more brighter, whiter, lighter than the previous layer, which altered the gradient effect that I was shooting for. So yeah, that's that. So when it came to using the hanger to swirl, I just did a clockwise, counterclockwise, and then midway through the soap, counterclockwise again. And I feel like that is kind of how I achieved the Luna Swirl. But you can do it anyway, and I'm pretty sure that it would still be beautiful. So I want to say that this is the third time that I've attempted the Luna Swirl. The first time, y'all, I could not get down with the swirl. I was so scared to swirl it. I was scared that the swirl, if I swirled too much, that it would get lost and muddled altogether. So the first attempt did not really go well. And then the red turned to orange. So no. And the second time, this is the first time. And the second time I used a fragrance that I've never used. I've never even used fragrance oil. I've only ever used essential oil, and that was a disaster. It started ricing and getting clumpy. It was not it. So this third time is how this beauty emerged. Look at her. Like a bouquet of roses, red, pink, and white roses. This turned out so beautiful, and I cannot wait to do this technique again. We are coming to the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. As always, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and y'all continue showing me the love that y'all have been showing me. And I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate it. So I hope to see you all in the daisy fields the next time. Bye.